Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable hardware acceleration in Brave. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. And once done, go to the top right and click on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and find settings right here at the very bottom. So just click on it. And in the left panel, go ahead and find system. Okay. Click on system. And as you can see here, we have use graphics acceleration when available. So you could just go ahead and click on the slider to disable it. Okay. And once done, click on relaunch right here to reopen Brave. Okay. So why do we need to disable hardware acceleration? So let's say, for example, you have a relatively slow or old graphics card. Okay. This process right here will stop Brave from offloading tasks to your graphics card. Rely instead on your CPU, okay, which can resolve, of course, performance issues. And that is it. That's how easy it is to disable hardware acceleration in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.